Welcome back to our channel. Today we will guide you on how to only let your contacts see your profile picture in WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp web interface by visiting the official website and logging into your account. Step 2. Click on the three dots from the top left corner. Look for the three dots located at the top left corner of the screen and click on them. Step 3. Click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the various options available. Step 4. Click on Privacy. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Step 5. Click on Profile Photo. Scroll through the privacy options until you find Profile Photo. Click on it to proceed. Step 6. Check the option My Contacts. Once you're on the profile photo settings, check the box next to My Contacts to ensure that only your contacts can see your profile picture. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can restrict the visibility of your profile picture to only your contacts in WhatsApp web. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more WhatsApp tricks and privacy settings.